many
coming from
chairs
first
are you sitting on
principles.
right now?
One.
Are you all in on the chair?
I am all in on the chair.
Like the point really is you put on one pair of glasses, you've got one pair of AirPods right now. You're looking at me through one screen. You're using one microphone. That's a one microphone. Like, you trust it? Is that conviction? Seems kind of scary. Why don't you diversify? Why don't you use 10 microphones?
YouTube, by the end of the video, you should be able to tell what Bitcoin's going to do at 10 o'clock today. Follow along. This is me explaining price action in the charts to you. Right now, it's 2 a.m. on 5/1 in the East Coast. Let's see what's going on in the charts today. Let me remove everything off the screen for you guys. Right now, we're on the 15-minute chart. Today, at 10 a.m., we have big news coming out. It's the ISM Manufacturing PMI. This is an important information being released by America today. So let's see the chart to understand how this is affecting price action. Right here, we have this big move down. Wednesday, 4/30/2025 at 8 a.m. This right here, you guys should know from watching my last video, is what formed the bearish breaker block. Right there. Turn it red for everybody so you can see it. Okay, now follow along. Now that price came down here and hit a line of resistance. Hit a line of support, sorry. Price came down, hit a line of support. What does this mean? When price came down here and hit this line of support, there were buy orders ready to take action. The buy orders were placed, price goes up. Because right here is what we call the discount array. I'll show you what that is. You draw a Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, from the high to the low. I have so many different retracements. Follow along. I'm sorry if this gets a little not understandable for some people. So this is the Fibonacci retracement that I use for overbought, oversold. You can follow these are my inputs for the Fibonacci retracement. Feel free to use them and follow along with me. So you place it from the top to the bottom, to the drop. It brings up this tool. It's called the Fibonacci retracement. Down here is the oversold area. So when it's oversold, people place their orders. When the price gets down here where it's oversold, the orders are filled, which causes price to go up. Now, about 3 weeks ago in the group that I'm in, the Bitcoiners for Freedom, led by the awesome man Jerry from Jerry Loves Freedom, I posted in the chat that some people told me I was going to be wrong about, but let me explain what's happening right now in the charts. So let's remove this and leave this here. Let's turn this green for everybody. Boom. When price comes up, it hits a level of resistance. When the level of resistance is hit, price drops significantly, causing a bearish breaker block to form. We can zoom in and see that right here. The bearish breaker block is formed. Drops down, hits the level of resistance. In this discount array of the level of resistance, buy orders are placed. People have orders waiting to go on apps like Webull Pay Advanced. You could set orders to be placed at any level you'd like. So people set their levels down here to buy orders come in, price goes up. Now, like I was explaining a few weeks ago in the group that I'm in, it's a Signal group, I explained what price was going to do over the course of the last few weeks. From here all the way through, I've been right. Now, follow along. Here's what's happening right now. This is called a bullish pendant pattern. It's forming right here. As the bullish pendant pattern forms, you could see that by going from this bullish breaker block with this trend line. inside of this triangle right here, the bullish pendant pattern is forming. Price is going to come in here, and when price gets into this little area, it starts compressing. Let me give you an example of that here. And when enough orders are filled, it either explodes to the upside or to the downside. Let's turn this black for everybody so you can see what's on my screen here. Okay, after the bullish pendant pattern is formed, you'll get compression and consolidation for a little bit. Each of these bars, candles, represent 15 minutes of trading time, of price action. When the consolidation happens, something has to happen, either a move to the upside or a move to the downside. Now, which do you think it's going to be? Realistically, there's only one move it can make, and that is to the upside. Because right now, if we remove this, and this, and this, and this, and this, we have the original area of where I started my predictions in the signal group. Right here. I explained in this group, when price got to this level of support, it will complete the bullish pendant pattern. And when that completes, price only has two options. It can come back down to $92,973, or it can go above this and turn it into a level of support, looking something like this. Now, we won't know what it's going to do until 10 a.m. 5/1/2025. It's the ISM Manufacturing PMI. The forecast is 48. The previous is 49. We don't know what it's going to be until 10 a.m. So everybody stay tuned, and let's see what price action does for the charts. Thank you. I hope you learned something. I know this was fast, but I thought it needed to be out before this happened. Thank you. Have a great night.